Hello guys, this is Kanan's theory. In this video, we're going to solve the lead code number 326. So power of 3. It's an easy problem, one of the easy problem. So basically, they are given an integer n. Okay, we have to return if the number is power of 3. So for example, let's take n is equal to 27. So 27 is 3 power 3, right? So then we have to return true. Okay. So if the number is 26 means it's not a power of 3, right? So then it return the false. Okay, this is a simple problem. So let's try to understand. See, not bad. Wait a second. Okay. Uh, yeah. So let's take n is equal to 27. What is it? 27 means 3 into 3 into 3, right? So it is the power of 3 power 3 equal to 27, right? So for example, n is equal to 9. N is equal to 9 means what is it? 3 into 3 is nothing but it's a 9, right? So we have to find whether the given number is power of 3. Okay, I mean the given number is power of 3. So how to solve this question? First of all, before we dive into this, okay, these two conditions plays a uh, role in this entire program. Okay, so first of all, what is the use of modulus operator? So it is used to find the remainder, right? So modulus of let's say modulus of 27 means the remainder is 0, right? So modulus of 10 means, I mean modulus of 10 modulus of 3 means the remainder is 1, right? So the modulus operator is used to find the remainder value. Okay, this divide operator is used to find the quotient value. Okay, so first we have to check whether the number is divisible by 3. This is a thing we have to check in this in this program. Okay, okay. Initially we have to check whether the number is divisible of 3. Okay, how to check? If the modulus of 3 equal to 0 means the number is divisible by 3. Okay, then only the remainder will be 0, right? If 10 divided by 3 means definitely the remainder is 1. Okay, if 9 divided by 3, the remainder is 0. Okay, if 27 divided by 3, the remainder is 0. So first we're checking whether the number is divisible by 3 or not. Okay, so after that we will reduce the number by 3. Okay, for example, let's take n is equal to 27. Okay, first we have to check n percentage 2 percentage 3. What will happen? 0. Definitely condition satisfied, we will move n divided by 3. N divided by 3 means what? 27 divided by 3. 27 divided by 3. What will return? The output is what will 9. Okay, so after that we will check n percentage 3. So now the number is 9. 9 percentage 3 is what? Definitely the remainder is 0. Okay, after that 9 divided by 3. What will happen? It's 3, right? Then we would check the n percentage 3, which is nothing but 3 percentage 3. 3 percentage 3. So 3% 3 is nothing but it's a 1, right? So 3% is 0. Okay, remainder is 0. I'm saying quotient is 1, right? So then n divided by 3. Here the n is what? 3. Okay, 3 divided by 3 means nothing but it's equal to 1. Oh, this is how the code works. Okay, so I didn't write it. No, I didn't write code. I just explained how it works. Okay, so finally, if n is equal to 1 means now definitely the number is divisible by 3. I mean, number is power of 3. Okay, actually they don't want to return the number of power, but I mean number of power term. Okay, so they don't they only ask whether the number is divisible of 3. Okay, they didn't ask any power value or power of x in this x values. They didn't ask anything. Okay, they just ask whether the number is divisible of 3. Okay, that is what they ask in question. Okay, so it's a simple program. Okay, so we all check if after the divisibility with the entire value, final value is equal to 1 means definitely it will be the power of 3. Okay, so if number is not equal to 1 means it's not a power of 3. Let's try to do in the code. Okay, so first we give an initial condition. If the number is less than equal to 0 means we will directly return false. Okay, so actually they given it's a bool function, which is nothing but it's we have to return false or true. Okay, So we can also return this false statement into 0. Okay, if 0 if you return means it is also considered as a false. Okay, so we just write into the false. Okay, it is easy to understand. So if you find any bool function in any of that code means you can use this false true function. Okay, they are asking that only. Okay, so then we will try to solve n percentage 3 equal to 0. Okay, so I'm using while loop because we don't know how many loops will happen because if you take 27 minutes, the three iterations happens. If we take some 64 minutes, it takes more iteration, right? So we don't know the number of iterations. That's why we are giving this n value. So if n is equal to 27 means that then n divided 3 n equal to divide equal to, I mean n divide equal to 3. Okay. So yeah, this is what given the condition. If n equal to if n equal to 1 means we have to return true. Okay, return true. Okay, if not, okay, if none other condition is satisfied means we will directly return false. Okay, this is what the code works. I just run this code. Yeah, I'll test this pause. Summon this code. So it's like more time complexity. Okay, let's check whether um yeah, there are multiple approaches are used. Okay, so I'm using one of the approach. Yeah, okay. Okay. Actually, you can able to say return n equal to 1. How it will return? How will return true means? Yeah, if n equal to 1, 1 means the condition is satisfied, right? The condition satisfied means it is a power of 3, right? So if n equal to if n equal to 1 means 1 equal to 1, okay, right? The condition satisfied, then only it return true. Okay, if n is equal to 0 or n is equal to any other number, 5 or 6, whatever number is given in the n means it will return false. Okay, you can give this type of return function also. So I am using directly using the true and false statement. So you can this also you can use. Okay, so yeah, it's a actually we can use this in a recursion format. Someone is used in this recursion format. I haven't seen. Oh, yeah, I see. Yeah. Oh, oh. Actually, they're using recursion. Yeah, little bit quite okay. It's easy. Okay, so this is how the code works. It's a simple code. Okay, don't take complexity. You can easily to find any of the number is power of 3 or power of 2. If you want to find the power of 2 in number means we can easily give 2 and 2. This code is easy to find the number is power of 2. If you want to find the power of 6 or power of 9 means you can directly change this 9 or and also in this 9 also. Okay, this is how the program works. Thanks for watching this video.